Today we're going to calculate the area of a triangle. To begin with, I'm going to explain a little bit of terminology so that you can understand what exactly we're going to be doing today. If we have a triangle, that looks something like this, then we have two key features that are extremely important for us to know. First, we want to know the base. The base is this line here across the bottom of the triangle. Okay? The next important feature is this line right here, which runs perpendicular to the base, that creates a 90-degree angle. This is called our height. These two numbers, which in most situations will be given to you, are going to be extremely important for your calculations. Now, this is not the only type of triangle we'll deal with. You may also have to deal with triangles which appear like this. We want to calculate the area of a triangle which appears like this. And we know the base is 6 centimeters and the height is 5 centimeters. Then we can put the numbers into a formula to calculate this. And the formula is area equals half of the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. Now, this formula can be complicated to remember. So a nice way of thinking about it is looking at it from the standpoint of a rectangle. So let's try and understand exactly how we came up with this formula. If you have a triangle like this, and you were to flip that triangle across some line right here and draw the exact same triangle, you get what appears to be a rectangle. Now, we know that the formula for the area of a rectangle is area equals length times width. And this here is our length, and this is our width. And this formula looks similar to this formula, except for one piece, which is different, this half. But if we look here, we can see there are two triangles put together to make a rectangle. And so if we were to take only one triangle, because this triangle in red on the other side is the exact same triangle as this one here, we know that we have half of a rectangle. So if the area of a rectangle is length times width, then the area of a triangle must be half length times width. Now, length and width are different for a rectangle only in the terminology we use. Instead of saying length of a triangle, we say height of a triangle. And instead of saying width along the bottom of a triangle, we call it the base. But if the terminology is no different, the formulas are exactly the same. So now let's plug in and see what happens. So we go area equals 1/2, which is a half, times the base, which we know is 6, times the height, which we know is 5. So if we have half and we start with multiplying 6 and 5, we get 30. And half of 30 is 15. And that's our final answer. I hope this video was helpful on learning how to find the area of a triangle. Thank you for listening.